What's up everybody, welcome back to the channel. This is Abhay and today we are going to do a very short video. Okay, now I stretched out my hand, a very long hand like that, to photo trade, and I said okay, now most of the time whenever we are shooting a cell phone photograph, what are the problems that we face? And most of the people out there and most of photo trades customers themselves are saying whenever we are shooting we end up with shaky blurred images. Now this is caused due to the simple fact of camera shake. Okay, now with a cell phone you're either holding it this way or you're going to be holding it this way, which enables it to like shake a little bit, because for the simple reason your camera grip isn't as strong enough as it would be on a camera. So the odds of you getting camera shake are a lot higher than when compared to a camera basically. Okay, so now they gave me this one product by Ulanzi where you could just attach it to your cell phone like this, and this works on Bluetooth. So you switch it on and you pair it with your device, and that is supposed to solve most of your problems. I have not yet tested this out. I'm going to do the first camera test right now. Okay, now from the build quality itself, I think I have worked on a few videos with Ulanzi right now, and this is built as good as any of their other products, I would definitely say. Okay, now this also, if you take a closer look at it, is finished amazingly. I this feels like a proper camera grip by itself, like a smaller camera grip. It has a leather patch over here which does not allow your camera to slip, and now the moment I've attached this to my cell phone over here, you can see that the design by itself is also really sleek. It's not very bulky or anything which is going to not let you carry this around. And I've actually had this now for a couple of days and now I'm regretting not using it enough. This is actually pretty cool. Okay, now let's get this started up. Okay, so you press the trigger button and you keep it held for a couple of seconds, and that should enable your trigger. I'm going to go ahead and go to my first. It's connected. It's as simple as that. Okay, so now when you open this up, now let's see if this works. I am going to take a picture of the camera right now. So even your installation is not going to take too long. It's not going to be a very long process itself. Okay, so the installation process is also pretty simple. Okay, it feels absolutely great. I mean, it feels pretty solid. You won't have to worry about your cell phone slipping out of its grip over here or it not fitting in your hand perfectly. This is the way it looks over here. This is your trigger button that enables you to take all those beautiful pictures. Now this is where it gets a little interesting. Okay, at the bottom you also do have a tripod mount over here, so you can just screw in your plate over here and you are good to go. Set this up on a tripod. Now to make things even cooler, okay, Ulanzi said we will try and make this better for you. You get to disconnect the camera trigger by itself. How cool is that now? So all you have to do now is set this up over here and you can use the remote trigger to take pictures of yourself. You don't even have to like have it in your hand. I think that is an amazing factor. And they've started working on the terrace right now, so it's going to be one whole day of dum. That is driving me absolutely crazy. But I do hope that you guys like this video. Do give it a thumbs up if you did. Stop banging up there. If you did like this video, or if you do want more details on this particular product, do leave a comment in the comment section below and I will get back to you as soon as possible. Major shout out to PhotoTrade for giving me this and enabling this video to happen. I hope that this does help your cell phone photography improve in quality. Bye bye guys, for now I will see you in the next video.